Let's add the following BCD numbers. We have 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 plus 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 plus 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1 is 2, right? 0 and carry of 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry of 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. This is the solution to my problem. In other words, this is 2, 5. This is 25. This is 34. 25 plus 34 is equal 59. And this is 59 expressed in the BCD code. Let's take a look at this example. We have 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 2, right? 0 and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 is 3, right? 1 and carry of 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. So let's take a look how this is going to work with decimals. This is 63. This is 13. 63 plus 13 is equal 76. And this is 76 in BCD code. This is the correct solution to my problem.